This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Mona Gabriel. Updated condo with first floor primary bedroom, garage and community pool. Fresh paint throughout, new flooring and designer light fixtures. The open and airy floor plan with tons of natural light is sure to delight the senses. Be greeted at the front door with outdoor porch and walk into an oversized great room with vaulted ceilings which is open to the eat-in kitchen with pantry. The first floor ensuite bedroom has a walk-in closet and double vanity in the bathroom. The second floor consists of a loft, 2 bedrooms and a full bath. Close to restaurants, bases, interstate and shopping. For more information, review the details below.